Imagine this. You're thinking about switching to a new Linux distro, and you keep seeing people rave about CachyOS and Garuda. Both look fast, modern, and super customizable. But which one actually makes more sense to install in 2025? CachyOS focuses on performance first. You get optimized kernels, faster package builds, better CPU tuning, and a cleaner, more minimal system. It feels lightweight and snappy right out of the box, especially if you like tweaking or want every bit of speed you can get. Garuda, on the other hand, is all about visual polish and user-friendly tools. You get built-in snapshots, gaming presets, flashy themes, and a ton of GUI helpers. It's great if you want something that looks premium without much setup. Here's the catch. CachyOS can feel technical if you're new, while Garuda can feel heavy if you want a lean system. Both are legit, just built for different kinds of users. So, in short, pick CachyOS if you want speed, optimization, and a clean archbase. Pick Garuda if you want convenience, gaming tools, and a stylish desktop. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest comparisons.